Web slices are a great new way in Internet Explorer 8 to allow site travelers to keep up with great content right in the browser's favorites bar. Until now, emails or RSS feeds were the way to update users on new content on a site. Now they can instantly know if we updated something on our site through the use of web slices. First off, let's open our site in our favorite HTML editor. We're not going to be doing any scripting or server-side code, we're just going to be changing some HTML. Once we have the HTML up, we want to modify the div tags that wrap our content to have the hslice class. This class declares the content as a web slice to Internet Explorer. The tag must have an ID value that's just for this content. Inside of the div tag, we have a header tag or h2 tag that defines the title of our web slice. This header tag must have the entry title class defined as an attribute in order for IE to recognize it as a web slice title. This is the title that will show up in the favorites bar once the user subscribes to the web slice, which we'll look at in a second. You can set an entry content class that will mark the content that appears when they mouse over the favorites tab and see a preview window of your content. As a side note, HTML content is the only thing that will run in the web slice previewer. For security reasons, heavier content like Flash or Silverlight will not run in the preview window. So how do people get a hold of the web slice? In the site, mouse over the content you wrapped in the hslice class. You will see an icon that looks like a green block with a diagonal tag symbol in the upper left-hand corner of your browser. Click on that icon to subscribe and add the web slice to your favorites bar. This will now keep track of the content on your site and blink if anything is updated. If you want your web slice to update automatically, you will need to set what is called an expiration on the slice, like for a limited time offer or a time-sensitive event on your site. You can set an endtime class attribute on an ABBR tag inside of your content that will set when the web slice content expires. You also have to define the time when it expires in a title attribute. Here's the final tag updates we placed in our site to make a web slice work. Notice the hslice, entry title, entry content, and end time attributes in each of the tags. These are all you need to make your slice work. Now your friends can have constant updates on your blogs, pics sites, or any other content posts that you have up on your site.